how we build your headers here at Eco-Panels of Tennessee. I'm going to give you a quick inside look at the inside of our panels before it gets injected with our closed cell foam. We use a polyurethane closed cell foam, a lot different than styrofoam. This is kind of the first process. I'm Joey Dyer.
I'm Paul Birdwell.
And here's one of our typical headers. This is a 2-story header. It's hard to see, but it's got double blocking. A regular header will be just one, and that's their solid blocking. This is the footer, which ain't got it built yet, but there's going to be a window in between these. So this is going to go to the ground floor around your base plate. This gap in between is going to be your window. If your window is over 3 foot, you're going to have a header and a footer. If it's under 3 foot, we can typically put that inside of a 4-foot panel. All your doors, they're going to have a typical header. And this is our tongues we've got on it right here. So this is how they install. The panels beside of it's going to have 3-inch voids. This is their tongues. They're just going to slide right down in. And when they slide in, all the weight is transferred to this right here. So these are 2x6s embedded. We've got our gap here for our foam to go in. That's to keep away from thermal bridging. So we do have foam inside. The double is for the 2-story house. There's going to be another whole story sitting on top of these panels, so we want more strength. That's why we got them double. Some applications call for LVLs in here. This application don't. But you send in your plans and we can verify, see what we need. We got a formula. So that's the inside look at how we build our headers here at Eco-Panels of Tennessee. If you have any more questions, get online, contact us, go to ecopanelsoftennessee.com. We'd love to hear from you.